only does GYEON have a full line of paint protection film, we also have a dedicated range of products for PPF maintenance, washing, and install. Paint protection film isn't a set it and forget it type of protection. It needs to be cleaned and maintained with the right chemicals. Luckily for you, GYEON has a full line of dedicated products that will keep your PPF working its best. Clean and decontaminate your PPF with a sudsy bucket wash. Introducing GYEON PPF Wash, an iron removing shampoo that will help cleanse the pores of your film. With great slickness and cleaning abilities, this shampoo is a GYEON Pro Detailer favorite that you can use in your driveway. If you're curious about what all PPF Wash can do, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its label. Thanks to its iron removing capabilities, this is a great product to use for deep cleaning wheels and wheel arches, not just your PPF. Add an additional layer of protection to your PPF with a simple spray and wipe. Introducing GYEON PPF Maintain Redefined, an SiO2-based spray sealant that is created to work directly on paint protection film. With added gloss and repellency, this will make sure that your film looks its best for its whole life. If you want to know more about this product, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its label. When drying your car, give a couple sprays of PPF Maintain into your GYEON drying towel to leave behind a perfect finish. Has your PPF lost the clarity that it once had? Introducing GYEON PPF Renew, a mild abrasive cleaner that helps restore your paint protection film's gloss. This SiO2 infused product will also remove light defects and add UV protection to your film. Use this product with a blue GYEON polishing pad for best results, and be careful not to overheat your PPF. A ceramic coating designed to work perfectly on paint protection film. Introducing GYEON PPF Evo, a flexible single layer coating for all types of PPF and vinyl. This durable product will not alter matte or gloss surfaces and provides you with up to 24 months of protection. If you want a simple breakdown of this coating, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its packaging. Even though you've added a layer of protection on top of your PPF, the most effective way to keep it clean is still with our dedicated shampoo, GYEON PPF wash.